Playing Fresh Morning Start playlist.
Hey Shauna, need some help with that list that...
Already done.
Lifesaver. What about your...
Got it.
Well, look at you. Well, I'm having an amazing Monday. Did you hear Stacy finally resigned? I wonder who's gonna be taking her spot. Wait, you didn't. How do you do it?
Technology.
Girl, you're in power now. So amazing. Finally be doing all the things we wanted to in the meetings, like...
Oh, sorry, I got it.
I'll let you go. Bye.
Sorry, Mom. I love you.
Hey, it's nice out. Now can we go outside? How are your allergies? I feel good. Come on, sweetie. I got you. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. She just got it.
Hey, don't eat that. Oh, God. Honey?
Set alarm for 20 minutes.
Your alarm is set.
Don't worry, I got you.
Okay, Superwoman.
Hey,
What?
Yes.
and another W.
Alright, boys, that's all the time I got for today. I'll talk to y'all later.
No. You gotta go. His mom's gonna give him a whooping.
Baby, get the popcorn.
And now, our feature presentation.